परेशान मत करो। क्या कन्नू क्या कर रहा है? सबको बुला के जैसे सबको बुला रहा है।
IIT बाम्बे दर्श गोशालातः कानिचन दृश्यानि। अश्वती किं करोति? आरवः अस्ति, विहानः अस्ति, अश्वती अस्ति। अश्वती अत्र पश्यतु। सुनीलः अपि अस्ति। കൊടുക്കണോ? കൊടുക്കാം. എവിടെ? അല്ല അല്ല അത് മുരിങ്ങയല്ല. മുരിങ്ങ പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. മുരിങ്ങയല്ല.
പുല്ല് വേണോ? പുല്ല് വേണോ? ഇതാ
IIT तटाकतीरे एव गोशाला अस्ति, दर्श गोशाला इति। കുത്തണതൊക്കെ അച്ചു ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യും.
बुलाए तो आए देखो। इങ്ങോട്ട് വാ.
कियत् सुन्दरमस्ति न? सो ब्यूटिफुल. इधर चलना चू.
ये सब निकल के दो. निकल के दे. इधर ये सब ले ले. ये दूसरी है. इधर.
Every day all the vegetable remains come here to the Goshala from all the hostel kitchens here. That's all done. Yeah. It's segregated so that there is no stapler or anything and all that there. So it comes here. Plus whatever is eatable leftover chapati and all that, no? It all comes here daily. Plus of course there is a grant also by IIT to take care of that. There is a lot of people also who contribute every month. A lot of alumni, so that we give a contribution every month. 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 depending on capacity. And it's a running fund right now, yeah. So on the 22nd of January at 12:29, that was the time when this Goshala was inaugurated. Otherwise they didn't have a proper house here. So that is the time when Ram Mandir's Prana Pratishtha was being done by Modi ji. The same time this Goshala was opened. and all the cows came inside this. And all the Go Sevaks who were contributing regularly and who were coming and feeding, they got a small bronze idol of a cow as an award, and Ashwati is one of the recipient of that award. നിനക്കറിയില്ല ആ ഗൗവിൻ്റെ അവാർഡ് കിട്ടില്ല നമുക്ക്. And none of the milk's all for the cows. It's not sold outside. No. There's nothing taken from this.
They allow them to.
Completely. This is all for them. There is nothing taken outside. And all the milk is for the calf. Nothing goes out. Nothing goes out. Except the gobar they're taking right now for some research and all that. For some COVID medicine they made with Panchagavya, with cow's urine, cow's milk, ghee, butter and curd. It's called Panchagavya, right? They made an anti-immunity medicine and got it approved by the Indian FDA, Federal Food and Drug Administration, and it is administered as an immunity drug for COVID, during COVID. As some researchers from here did that. They took the gobar from here, the milk and all, little bit for the purpose of research. That's it. Otherwise, all the milk here is for the cows.
क्या?
वो मुफासा वो वाला.
उसके ऊपर चढ़ के खड़ा.
हाँ.
Today, a lot of people visited Goshala, including Nalini Chechi. Nalini Chechi also was here for some time back. Ramani Chechi's daughter, she brought a big basket of bananas and gave it to the cows. She had a big basket of bananas, which is good. So there is a vegetable seller in Powai. I just pay him 100 rupees. So all the leftover, not really bad, but little lesser quality. He gives me at least 300, 400, 500 rupees of vegetables for 100 rupees. It is his seva also, right? And then I bring it here and give it every Saturday. I do it every Saturday. So he says, अरे मेरा भी सब आप कर रहा है, 100 रुपये आप दे रहे हैं, मैं 500 रुपये का सामान दे दूंगा आपको. वैसे तो मैं otherwise I would have sold it. People don't even really know when they buy which is good quality, which is mediocre quality.
So you're an ex-student.
Right? I studied my MBA in this institute, IIT Bombay. Otherwise, engineering and all from Kerala only.
चले? टाइम क्या हुआ? 3:30 हो रहा है. चलो. चलो.
1.5 hour में वापस आ जाएगी.
चलो. Anyway, गौशाला का सामने एक आप चारों लोगों का एक फोटो. तीनों सुन लो. You're also a Go Sevak today. So all Go Sevaks. Come. आ रहा वाड़ा.
आप भी रुको ना, एक सेल्फी लेते हैं ना.
हाँ देते बाद में. बस सेल्फी टेक द.
एक छोटू हम देखो.
अच्छा. 1 2 3. अच्छा. एक वाइट और ब्लैक भी है. अच्छा. चाबी भी है.
फीड इंडिया.
सही में?
असल है.